Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a video for Flamingo shop. This is a new website for me. I've never tried their products out before. So they do have a lot of trendy clothing on their website. So let's check out the pieces that I got. If you want to see what I got and see me try everything on, then keep on watching. So I got some two-piece sets, some jumpsuits, dresses, all kinds of different stuff, some shirts. I just wanted to try a variety of different things that they had on the website so I could test the quality and what everything was giving, okay? First one is a two-piece set and it is a size small. Now I could have sworn that I picked this in the blue color because I have something kind of similar in black. So I don't know if it was a mistake or if I chose this one, but this one is a pair of like leggings, and this is how they go down to the bottom. They have stripes on the sides. There is a thick band in the waist. The jacket is made like this. It doesn't have a hood, but it has like a tighter band around the stomach area, and then the neck seems like it's more tight as well. And then this is the bottom. I probably would just wear it open and put like a little shirt underneath or something. I don't know. I'll have to try it on and see what it's giving, but I got it in a small. Also got this pink jumpsuit. Y'all know items that have like this kind of material are really popping. I had another jumpsuit like this in a purple color from Rainbow, but it did not fit the best like at the top. So I decided to try this one out, and if you can see, this is what I'm talking about, like this waffle kind of pattern. Or honeycomb type of pattern. So this is how this one looks. It's just kind of like a basic jumpsuit, but then at the top you do have some detailing here with some crisscross kind of straps. It actually does dip down, so the back is kind of out, and then you actually do have pockets on the booty, and then the booty is also like ruched in, so it's supposed to make your booty look really nice. And then also it having pockets, I can imagine that it probably looks really flattering, but we will see how it looks. And the bottom just goes down into like a regular straight skinny kind of pants. So that is that one. I also got that in a small, I'm pretty sure. Sticking with that trend, I got this set that came with 3 pieces, and this one is more of a tie-dye kind of pattern. So these are the pants, and I think they picked this one out for me because one of my items that I picked wasn't available or something. This is a medium. I definitely could have got this in a small, but like I said, they picked it, so it was a little bit big, but it fit okay. So this is how it looks. It's just like a basic pair of leggings, but it has that honeycomb kind of vibe to them, and then there are pockets on each side of the pants. And it has like a thicker waistband. So those are the pants. And then this has a cute little bralette, kind of sports bra kind of top. So this is how the top looks. And it has some detailing in the back. Or is that the front? I'm not sure. I think that's the back. Or maybe it's the front. I'm not sure. I'll have to try it on and see if that's the front or the back. But I guess you could probably wear it either way. But yeah, it's really cute. This kind of gives me like workout vibes, like really cute if you're going to the gym or something like that. And it also does have a matching jacket as well. The jacket is kind of like big and oversized. Like I would expect more of a cute little crop top jacket with this outfit. But this is probably going to be cute like for me to wear around the house. So we will see how everything looks together. I only tried the pants on. See what's up next. I think I got a top, or oh no, okay, so this is actually a jumpsuit, and this is a medium as well. This is a basic black jumpsuit, and this is a cotton material, and it just looks, you know, kind of basic, whatever, but it would be cute with like a cute little jacket, or you know, paired up with the right kind of shoes. It does have a zipper up the back. So yeah, we will see how well it fits. It is kind of see-through, like it's not double lined or anything like that. So that's that one. And then I also did get this really cute top as well, and this will be really cute with some shorts or whatever you want to pair it with. This is quite a thick material, but it is like a chiffon top, but it's kind of like really thick and heavy. I like the leopard vibe of it, and I thought it was going to give like a classy vibe, but I think it was kind of big on me and just kind of like whatever. I don't know, I have to try it on again to see what it's giving, but it is a really cute top, and it's really heavy. Like, it's definitely good quality, and it does tie up in the back, so you can adjust this strap however tight or loose you want it to be up around your neck and everything. This next one, I believe this was also a replacement for something else that I picked out, but this is a romper, and it just looks like this. It's really bright, like super bright, but it's just a one piece, and then it has a zipper up the middle. I had another one like this from a different website that was more pastel kind of vibes, and I really liked that one when I was pregnant, but it was made pretty similar to this, so we will see how well this fits. I think this is a medium, but the colors are so bright. Like, I don't know. It's really bright. Also got this really cute little top. This will be great to pair with just anything, especially in the fall and winter season, or you could even wear it now as well. So it's just like a basic little mock turtleneck kind of top. It is short sleeves, and then the bottom kind of goes like underneath your boobs. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but then this part is actually mesh, like if you can see that, and it does have like some line detailing, so it gives it like a corset kind of vibe. Try to hold it up where y'all can really see it, but this is really cute, and I was kind of thinking this would be really cute with this denim set that I have that has the matching pants and jacket, and it's like a pink metallic color that I've never worn. This will be a really cute top to pair with something like that. I also did get a pair of jeans just to test their jeans out. I got my jeans in a medium, and this is how they look. So they are, I believe they are high-waisted. I will have to try them on again to see, but they are like a cargo style pants, and then they do have zippers on the sides, but the only thing is there's only one cargo on this side. On this side is plain and regular. They only have the cargo on the one side, but it does make the jeans kind of more fun and interesting since it's not on both sides. I got these two maxi dresses, and I did get the same kinds of dresses, but I got two different colors, and I think I got both of these in a small. So this is how it looks. It's really pretty. It's long. I did wear the pink one to go out to eat one day, and this is how the front of it looks. It's kind of just like a basic ribbed long maxi dress. Just really good, simple to throw on, but really still cute and put together. And I also got that same dress in pink as well. This dress is the same exact thing, but just in the pink color. This next one, I think they also picked this for me again, but this one is like a three-piece, so you get the pants, the top, and then the matching mask as well. This is the mask that it comes with. It is kind of like a thin material, so you know, you may want to put another mask up under it. And then this is the top, like a basic kind of t-shirt, but this is all that really silky polyester material, so I can already tell you that I'm not gonna keep it. I'll try it on for y'all, but it's not my thing, so I know I'm not gonna keep it for myself. This next one that I got is a top, and it just looks like this. It says Angel on it, and it does crisscross in the back. And it is a cotton material, and it's just like basic and ribbed, but it does say Angel on it in white, so you have the orange and white. And this will be really cute to pair with some denim shorts or jeans or whatever, and like put with some sneakers or sandals or whatever you want to put it with. Just really kind of basic, cute summer top. I also got this white top, which is also really cute as well. It has this string in the center. Let me just tie it so y'all can kind of get the vibe of it. This is how the top looks. It has some ruffling detail here, and then you could tie this part into a bow. But yeah, it's just like a basic little top, but you can wear this more so tucked in and give like a bodysuit kind of vibe, and put this with some jeans or whatever. Super cute. And next, I don't remember what this is. Okay, this is a dress. So it just looks like this. It's kind of like a basic t-shirt dress, but a little bit more fancy. So this is the top of it, and then you can see the bottom. Kind of just looks basic, but whenever you see the back does have a cutout here, and then there's a band that goes across, and it does crisscross, and then it dips down in the back. And the back also has ruching like in the middle on the back and on the sides of the dress, so it's going to give your body more shape. That's really cute. Lastly, I got this romper kind of outfit. It's actually a jumpsuit, but they didn't tie it together. Giving two-piece vibes because they didn't tie it together, but these are the bottom parts. They look really big. I probably should have got a small, but this is how the pants look, and then this is the actual top on it. And if you could see how the strings are, they attach to the pants. So it's actually a jumpsuit, but it's kind of like two pieces if you want to untie it, but you definitely will want to tie it together if you're going to wear them together. I got it in a medium, but it does look pretty big and stretchy, so I don't know how it's going to fit. Those are all the items that I got from Flamingo, so definitely check them out. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.